back to my channel. So this is going to be like a chit chat, get ready with me. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of how I did this look. It's kind of similar to my first look that I did for Valentine's Day, but I just wanted to come on here and get ready with you guys for Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and just chat with me while I get ready, then please keep watching. Because I can't put on my music because then I get copyrighted, and then I can't put on the ESC because then my microphone hears it. So I just have to sit here in silence, and it's kind of weird. Actually getting ready for work, and I decided I would do like a get ready with me because technically this is my Valentine's Day, because tomorrow I'm not going to work, so I'm doing like a Valentine's Day inspired look because I'm wearing a pink cardigan because it's cold outside. And I just kind of wanted to do this, so we are going to do a get ready with me. I'm not going to really explain what I'm doing because this look is going to be kind of similar to the last one I just did, but with a different palette. So yeah, I'm like sweating. Before I was filming this video, I was actually cold, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to put on this pink sweatshirt, and then now I'm sweating. So I guess I just have to sit here and be hot. So it's super cool because I actually enjoy watching techie videos, like, if that makes sense. Like, I love watching videos that have to do with like cameras and filming and all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of like where I learn a lot of the stuff that I do, like as far as editing and doing all the camera stuff. That's kind of like where I learn it from, is watching other people here on YouTube. So I was actually watching, I don't know her name to be honest, but I do watch her quite a bit, but I just always forget her channel name. But if I can remember, I will link her down below. I'm actually going to get some chapstick because my lips are chapped. Anyways, I was watching her, and she actually did like a techie video on how she like films and stuff. And so I was watching her video, and she actually mentioned this like cord that's like super genius, whoever created this cord. So what happens is it plugs into your actual camera, and then it plugs into the wall, but it goes into your battery port. So it's like an external battery that like never dies, and it goes inside your battery port just like a regular battery. It has a long cord, and it hooks up to the actual wall, and it's like genius because your camera like never dies, and I'm like obsessed with it. So if you do film videos and you have problems with your battery constantly dying, definitely get this cord. I highly recommend it. Just make sure that this cord is compatible with your actual camera, because I did order the one that she recommended, but then like an idiot, I didn't think about that we have totally different cameras. So hers was, I think, the T5i camera, T5i camera, the Rebel, and I actually have the Canon 80D. So I was like, why didn't I think about it being compatible with my camera? But I thought it was the same, which I should have known it wasn't the same because I've owned the T5i before, so I should have known. But just make sure that it's compatible with your, you know, your camera. But yeah, it's like genius. If you have problems with your battery dying, definitely get this cord because I love it. I can just plug up my camera and literally it never dies, and I don't even use my actual battery anymore that goes to the camera unless I'm out taking pictures, you know, like for a photo shoot or something like that. But other than that, like, I just plug this up and use it, and it's like genius because my camera never runs out of battery. I'll be taking the Morphe 35P palette. I feel like I definitely need to use this palette a lot more because it just sits in my collection and I never really use it, and I don't know why, because it's so pretty. But I wanted to use this palette because it has like a lot of like mauvey, pink, purple colors in here, and I'm just going to be taking these two pink colors and applying that to my crease. Kind of funny because I haven't had Valentine's Day off from work ever since I worked at Estee Lauder, and it's gonna be kind of weird that I have Valentine's Day off because Valentine's Day is actually my mom's birthday, and every year I always try to, you know, get it off or something, and I never can get it off. So I end up working, and I normally like spend the morning with her, but like work the afternoon or whatever, or vice versa. I actually decided on giving her her birthday present earlier than the day because I just felt like I don't know, I just wanted to give it to her early just because like I didn't really know what to get her, but at the same time I was excited to give her the item that I gave her. So I actually got her a Michael Kors purse, which to be honest I was like kind of shopping for myself when I got it for her. And it was a Michael Kors purse. I will put the picture like right here, and it had like little cute pink hearts on it, or not pink hearts, gold hearts, but the bag was like a light pink color. It actually looks very similar to one of my Michael Kors purses that I already own. And I was just like, oh my god, this is perfect, this is so cute, because my mom owns a lot of the Hamiltons and I feel like they're a little too big for her, so I wanted to get her something that she could just, you know, throw her keys in, her wallet, her phone, and her sunglasses, and be out the door. Maybe like, you know, a touch-up powder or touch-up lipstick or something, and be out the door, but not too small where like if she needed to carry something extra in there it wouldn't fit. So I really like the size of the purse that I got her too. To do a makeup makeover tomorrow in the morning, and then right after that I'm gonna hang out with my mom all day. And I don't really know what me and Ricardo have planned. We really wanted to see 50 Shades Feed. I still feel like that sounds so weird. It should have been 50 Shades Darker, but whatever. I think we might go see that movie, but I'm not like entirely too sure. I don't know if you guys feel the same way. Like, I cannot be full glam all the time. Like, I feel like sometimes when I get full glam every single day, it just gets kind of exhausting to like put on all that makeup, and I personally just don't feel like doing it all the time. Like, the only time I actually ever wear like full glam is when I'm either filming a video, doing a photo shoot, or going somewhere like special. Other than that, I pretty much don't wear, you know, full glam all the time, especially to work. Oh hell no, I don't have time for that. I used to do that a lot when I first started working for Estee Lauder. I would do my makeup full out every single day. I honestly don't know how I would do it, because like I just feel like it gets super exhausting to do your makeup full out every single day. And I'm the type of person that I will spend so much time on my makeup and not even care about my hair. But now that my hair's shorter, it's kind of hard to not care about it, because if I don't style it, it just looks like this and it looks hideous. So I try to like style it as much as I can, but most of the time it just goes up in a bun. But I do like really wearing my hair down more that it's shorter, because I feel like it's not as hot on my neck. Like when I would wear my hair down when my hair was longer, I felt like I would get like hot flashes because it was like too much, you know? Like this is just looking like a purple smoky eye, but I guess it will work because we are going to be wearing a pink lipstick today. Let's see, I don't know which eyeshadow brush I want to take next. I don't know if I want to put a shimmery color on the lid or not, or just leave it like this. Like I'm kind of confused. So I know I actually told you guys that I was going to show you guys my business cards whenever they came in, and this is what they look like. This is what they actually look like. This is the front, and it just says Lexi's Beauty Lounge, and it has all the services that I provide. So photography, beauty vlogger, hairstylist, and makeup artist. And then on the back it just says all my social media handles. I did put some lashes over here on this corner just to, you know, glam it up a little bit. And then I put a picture of me, which if you've seen this picture, I believe it's still my actual profile picture, and then it's like a mirror, and then at the bottom it just says my website. My business cards, I know I mentioned that I was going to show you guys. I'm super happy with the way they came out, and I think that they are definitely like different. I did design all of this myself, and these are very similar to my old business cards if you guys remember them, but this one is just like a little bit more girly and cute. And I just love the edge that I picked out for this, because it's not like, you know, a basic business card where it's like nice and what do you call it, like rectangle, but this one just like is edged, like rounded, and I just like that. I think it just adds like a little girly touch. So yeah, that's one of my business cards. I did get them in, and I've been giving them out actually, and it's a little difficult because, you know, my old business cards had my old pretty much everything on it, like my old logo and stuff. So it's kind of hard because obviously those handles don't work anymore. And it's just kind of weird to like give out a new handle, because, you know, I've been in that handle for like ever, and now that it's changed, it's like people get confused. But yeah, I'm still really happy about changing my name, and you guys obviously really liked it too, so I'm super happy about that. I'm going to be taking the color Create from the Morphe 29A palette. It always brings out the pink and eyeshadows, so I'm going to take this on a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to like throw that into the crease a little bit. It's just going to bring out more pink because I feel like this was just looking a little too purple for me. So I just want to throw this in there. See how much of a difference that makes, just throwing a bright color on top? I just threw this into the crease and I feel like it's made such a difference. Right here, which is called this is called Trendy. And I believe this is an eyeshadow that I used in one of my other videos. I just hate how big this palette is because it's hard to show for tutorials. Like, it's just like, do I show me in the palette or do I show more of the palette? Like, I don't know what to do. But I'm going to be taking this color right here. It's kind of like a rose goldy, like a pinkish rose gold color. Oh yeah, I feel like this looks way better than if it was just by itself, you know, with the matte colors. Because at first I didn't know if I wanted to put shimmer on top of all of this or not. Tomorrow is actually going to be a super exciting video. I forgot to mention that's actually what I'm going to be doing for Valentine's Day. I'm going to go to my mom's house and we're actually going to film a video together. But I don't know if I want to say what it exactly is, but we are going to be doing a video that's kind of trending here around YouTube. So that's your hint right there. But I'm super excited to like actually do another video with my mom. What perfect video for you to be on my channel than this one. So yeah, we're gonna film tomorrow, so I have to take like literally all my stuff with me so I can get ready there and we can film the video. I've been getting my nails done pretty much for the last 4 years, and if I don't have them done, I only have them not done for like a week. Like if I don't have my acrylics on, then you know it's only a little while before I go and you know do a fill or put nails back on. So it's actually kind of funny because I haven't been without nails in like forever, and I don't know what popped into my head or what light sparked inside my brain, but I just decided, you know what, I should start doing my own acrylic nails, because literally I spend so much money and time going to get my nails done, because the nail place that I love going to is like 30 miles away, 25-30 miles away, and usually like the days that I can go is only Sunday and Monday, and that's when my person that I like going to is off. So it's kind of like a hassle because you have to schedule an appointment and it's just like a whole thing, and I feel like I just sit there forever when I'm at the nail salon. It just takes so much time, and like I am the type of person that I just want to get in and out even though I want them to look good. So I started doing my own acrylic nails. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to be doing like a video. I did just do these last night and I feel like I kind of rushed them, so they don't look as good as they did when I did the first ones. But yeah, I showed you guys on Snapchat and I asked you like, would you like to see a video on how I do my own acrylic nails at home? I do like the coffin shape, so that's the shape that I have right now. I do like to normally make them more of a coffin shape. This was just like, I don't know, I was just too lazy and I didn't feel like shaping them right. But yeah, I've been doing them at home and I really like it because I actually get to change up the nail polish. When I used to get my nails done at the nail salon, I would have to wait forever to, you know, get my nail polish color changed, because I wouldn't want to drive all the way over there just to get a nail polish color. So by that time I actually needed a fill every single time I would want to change it, so I would just get a fill and then change the color. But I just felt like it was like too much of a hassle, so I just wanted to, you know, do my own nails, start painting them, you know, the colors that I want. And yeah, I've been liking it. These, like I said, I just put these on last night, but the ones before that actually lasted like a whole week. But it depends on the glue you use. At first, I don't know why, I just used super glue and it actually worked better than the nail glue that I've been using. But I actually was like, you know what, maybe I should use super glue and regular glue, because I feel like with me, I'm constantly like, it depends on what kind of work you do too. I'm at work with, you know, makeup drawers and stuff. I'm constantly always slamming my hands and I feel like my nails get caught and sometimes they'll come off. So I just like to have them you know, really on there well and stuff, so I put super glue and nail glue, and it actually worked better than using one or the other, because I felt like it made it stronger. The thing that's a little challenging is actually shaping them by yourself, because you actually have to, you know, use one hand to shape it, and then this hand has to be steady, you know. I don't know how that even makes sense, but yeah, that's, I feel like the only part that's kind of challenging is actually shaping them. But if you have somebody that can shape them for you, then that would probably be even better. And now I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair Neutral, and I've actually been loving this as well. But I've noticed that I put too much on in my last video because it's like really good coverage, so go a little light today, even though that still seems like so much. But I'm just used to like highlighting my under eyes like that. Like I just forget that this concealer's, you know, good coverage and I don't need that much. But we are going to take our Airspun powder and set the under eye area so that we don't crease, and so it sets it. And this color, this is one of the colors that I used in my crease. This one right here. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and I'm going to throw that underneath here. I'm actually going to do that on the side of the nose too. I just realized I was slouching so much. I'm like, get it together, girl. I like literally bathe in Airspun powder. If you guys have noticed, I use it on my eyes, I use it on my whole face, and I go back and I bake with it. It's just like a little extra with the Airspun powder, but I just love it. And with this blush, this is the color Royal by, what is this, Tarte? Yeah, Tarte. And I've hit pan on this because this is one of my favorite ones. And I'm going to take my Estee Lauder blush brush. It's one of my favorite blushes. Like nothing tops this blush brush. I just feel like it applies the blush so pretty. I'm going to go back and highlight. This is Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Love this highlighter if you guys didn't already know. One of my favorites. And I have hit pan on it. Let me know down below how many of you actually put highlighter on your nose. I feel like some people do it, some people don't. I personally love doing it because I just feel like it balances out the whole highlight and it just makes your skin look more glowy. But my mom says that makes my nose stand out too much and I look like Rudolph, but I don't care. I'm going to apply the same lipstick that we applied in the last video, which is Cream Cut by MAC. And I'm going to put that on the lips. Just left my hair like this. Okay, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell down below. That way you guys can be notified every single time I upload. I do upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you guys can stay updated with my future videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.